In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the Log a Call button to Salesforce Lightning. This is a great way to streamline your workflow and ensure you're capturing all important client interactions in a structured and accessible way. To begin, let's head over to the home page of Salesforce Lightning. From your main dashboard, navigate to the home page of Salesforce. Here, you'll find the starting point for personalizing your setup. Next, you'll want to access the Quick Settings. This menu is your gateway to adjusting the finer details of your Salesforce experience. Once you click on Quick Settings, keep an eye out for a more in-depth options menu. Here is where you'll find the option labeled Open Advanced Setup. Go ahead and click on that. This will open a window that gives you access to a wide array of customization possibilities. In the Advanced Setup, you'll see a feature called Object Manager. Clicking on Object Manager will take you to a section that allows you to manage various objects and item details, which can be crucial for personalizing your Salesforce account to better match your company's needs. Once inside Object Manager, take a moment to find the label you're going to work with. For our purposes, let's assume we're dealing with cases. Upon selecting the relevant label, you will see several options related to that particular object. Look for Case Page Layouts and click on it. This action opens the layout options that control what fields and features are visible when dealing with cases within Salesforce. Here, pick a page layout that you prefer to modify. It's important to choose the layout that matches the way you usually interact with data to keep things coherent. Once you have the page layout open, locate the area labeled Mobile and Lightning Actions. Clicking on this area will allow you to see various actions that can be added to your layout. Drag the Log a Call action down into your layout. This step is crucial because it involves incorporating the button into a functional part of Salesforce, where it will be both visible and useful for quick access. Dragging the Log a Call button to its rightful place ensures that every time you need to log a customer call, it's just a click away, thereby saving time and reducing effort by avoiding unnecessary navigation. Finally, after you've positioned the Log a Call button in the layout, remember to click Save. This last step ensures that all changes are updated and stored correctly in your system. Be sure that you see the success confirmation message to confirm that everything has been saved correctly. And there you have it. You've successfully added the Log a Call button to your Salesforce Lightning. Make sure to take full advantage of this by using it regularly to keep track of client communications.